So if you saw the service video for the Amstrad 901 genuine original Japanese version, you'll notice we did it's come with the original Action Man mic. So we'll be testing that at the end when we go through to bass. We'll be running this on the standard replacement mic, and it's also come with the correct original power lead. The early versions had a weird power lead which was obsolete, and they changed it to the square round one which we supply. This is one of the originals, and it's got a full power lead with it. Radio is only doing between 315 milliwatts on channel 1 to 2.5 watts it was managing on channel 40. So it's like an average of 1.5 watts throughout the band. I've changed the ballast resistor to a 6 watt type. We've now got a full 4 watt output on all 40 channels. Had a faulty detector coil. Somebody's actually broken it. They've had a screwdriver in there instead of the correct trimming tool, snapped it. Luckily I've got one left on a scrap chassis, but it's the last one we've got. And so that brought the receiver out, which is now doing incredible 0.24 microvolts for 12 decibel SINAD. So this isn't the Hong Kong one, this is the £89.99 original. Fantastic set. Not heard anybody on it yet. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger, I'll just plug my squeaker in.
Do that, let me know when you're ready.
And finding the right one. I think it's that one. It is. Right, I'm ready now, thank you.
Roger that, yeah.
Roger.
That's in the house and recording.
Roger on that. And on this one I've got a 10 control.
Yep, roger that. So we're heading up towards the end of the lane, passing the passing place and what will seem to be doggy daycare.
Yes, Roger, I've seen the planning permission go through for that, so we will be having doggy daycare probably next year. There we go, over.
Yeah, roger.
We'll sneak the Roger bleep on when he gets to the top of the hill.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that. We're not particularly late, but there you go.
Right, we're now square wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a original made in Japan Amstrad CB901 using Cybernet 002 rshireby with a full 4 watt output, and I'm on standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Got some things that bleep on at the top of the hill.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. From Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Amstrad 901 doing full 4 watt output and drawing 1.3 amps. And on this standard replacement mic, I'll pop it onto low power, which is 240 milliwatts on this technology adjustable. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we are, low 500 milliamps for that 240 milliwatt output. Close to full power. There we are back at full power over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. Had to override the squelch on low power.
Roger, Dodger, that's fine, and I'll be going ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing.
Yep, 147.9 and 149.9.
Excellent, well that works in 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 147.9 and 149.9.
Excellent, well that worked a treat. 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Oh, I'm losing my voice. Right, we'll go over to the base station and see what it sounds like with the two microphones. We'll start off with that one and then go over to the original Action Man mic on our Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21, setting the Amstrad 901 with the standard replacement mic. Setting 12345, 54321. And now we'll go over to